Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canva website to Godaddy. Having a custom domain for your Canva site makes a huge difference for your professional online presence. We'll walk through the steps to link your beautifully designed Canva website to your Godaddy domain, ensuring your site is accessible with your own unique web address. This process is quite straightforward and will cover both the quick automatic connection and the detailed manual setup. To begin, make sure your Canva website design is completely finalized. Once ready, locate and click the Publish Website button, usually found in the top right corner of your Canva editor. From the publishing options, select Use My Existing Domain. You will then be prompted to enter your Godaddy domain name. Carefully type it in, then click Continue to move to the next crucial step in the connection process. Next, log into your Godaddy account and find your domain's DNS management page. Here, you will add two essential records. First, create a CNAME record using www as the host and the specific value provided by Canva. Second, add in a record with @ as the host, pointing to the IP address 103.169.142.0. It is also important to delete any existing or CNAME records that might conflict with these new settings. After updating your DNS records in Godaddy, return to Canva and click the Verify button to check if the connection is successful. Keep in mind that DNS changes do not happen instantly. They can take anywhere from 48 to 72 hours to fully propagate across the internet. Please be patient during this period. Once propagation is complete, your Canva website will be live and accessible through your custom Godaddy domain, ready for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.